On this video I'll show you how to convert your Gala Games GalaChain Allowance, also known as Treasure Chest Allowance, into real Gala token, which you can then put onto the Ethereum network and convert it into whatever currency you want. This is particularly of interest for people in the UK because at the moment in the UK, if you log into games.gala.com, you can't actually see the website. What you get is website maintenance because your IP address you indicate from the United Kingdom, Channel Islands, Isle of Man, Gibraltar, Republic of Ireland, and that's due to gambling restrictions that there are in the United Kingdom. And so Gala Games just want to make sure they're compliant with that. So at the moment we see website maintenance. The simple way around that is to go and use a VPN such as TunnelBear. So you can get this tunnelbear.com, download this small piece of software to your computer and just move your location wherever you want. So I'm in the UK, so I just select a different country and it's now moved my IP address, so it now looks like I'm actually browsing the internet from Sweden in this particular example, which is why I now have access to the games.gala.com. Now what you will see if we go to my balances, so we click on view all, and in my balances we see we've got GalaChain Allowance on the treasure chest. So I've got 17.6 thousand. So I want to convert those. So we click on that and we've got the convert option here. So let's click on convert. So what it's going to tell me here, I've got available to convert 17,674.1229 etc. GalaChain. And I am going to convert pretty much all of those. Let's just leave a bit left in there. So transaction fee is 100 Gala on the GalaChain. I know I've got that in my account, so I click on continue. I now need to enter my transfer code, so I put my transfer code in that box there and click submit. And there we go, conversion completed. So that has now moved from my GalaChain Allowance through to GalaChain. So if I go back to my balances, I can now see the Gala on the GalaChain is now up to 17.99 thousand. So if I wanted to convert that to the Ethereum network, I can bridge it to Ethereum, or I can send it to somewhere else on the GalaChain. So lots of options there with Gala Games. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Do subscribe if you'd like more videos like this.